Okay, thanks. We're back. Thank you for tuning in. We're at 11625 East Windrose Drive in Scottsdale, Arizona 85259. We've got a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 4489 on the square foot. Asking price is 2.45, and this is the second part. I'll probably be able to get everything into the second part. In part one, we visited most of the house from the front entryway all the way in through the kitchen area, the living center, and the primary suite, bathroom, and bedroom area. And now we're going to go towards the other wing of the house, and I'll show you all the things it has to offer with regard to that. So let's just get to it. Coming in from the garage, let's start there. So we have a nice sized garage.
Garage door open.
Thank you. Nice 3 with plenty of storage, as you can see. And as we come in, we've got the first guest bedroom right here. And it's en suite. So, meaning, of course, that it has bathroom, full bath. And it has a walk-in closet. Very high ceilings throughout the home. Now here we've got a laundry area with wet sink. Plenty of cabinets, and another bedroom here, the second bedroom. It also has a walk-in closet. Leads directly outside to the pool area. We'll get there in a moment. This also ensuite, full-on bathroom. So this bathroom here would be used if you're in the pool. You come on in through this way, rinse off, use the restroom or whatever you need to do, go back out. It does have a large linen closet, great. There's just some storage closet here. And then this is the 4th bedroom, obviously being used as an office. They don't need 4 bedrooms, but it is a full 4 bedroom with awesome views. This faces to the front of the house. That up there is a mini split. So it's an extra cooling device, whereas even though this house has dual zone heating and cooling, you don't have to cool the whole half of the house just to get this room cool. You can just use that, and it acts as an independent source of cooling, which is great for the summer months if you're going to be working in there. So at this point, let's just go outside and I'll show you the beautiful oasis-style backyard. This was that conversation pit area I was talking about. So you can see there's where the 2 automatic shades are, and they can stop at any point. There's 2 over there as well. So everything is very private. Pool is great. It's not a dive-in pool, but it's a jump-in pool, which is what's going to happen when I sell the house. I'm going to jump in, suit and all. It makes no difference to me. Really excited about that. So what I like better is this water feature. So just the sound of that all day long is really nice, and it really provides that spa-like environment. And this is the preservation area right there. So there's a little wash that runs through there, and it's protected. So this is the view for now and forevermore. at least as far as we're all alive, you know, unless they change things, which I don't think they're going to. That's natural desert preserve protected. So as you can see, it's really quiet, tranquil out here, beautiful, as you would expect. So again, thank you very much for joining me over the last 10 or 11 minutes, something like that. Again, we're at 11625 East Windrose Drive in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's in the golf community of Ancala. It's not a private club, so don't worry about that. If you're not into golf, it's okay. It is guard gated though, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful place to live. The HOA fees are $5.25 quarterly, and the asking price on this at the moment is for 2.450. Please reach out to me with any questions. If you want a personal tour, the best time to do it is 6:30 at night when the sun's going down and you get to see all the twilight shots. That's the best. My name is Kurt Boyd. I'm with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty, Scottsdale. And my number direct is 480-203-3704. Or you can also email me at kurt@kurtmboyd.com. Thanks for watching.